the run-up to the campaign, yesterday Mr. Vijay Sardesai made a comment that youth needs to be weaponized. Now, Deputy Chief Minister in the cabinet urging for youth, weaponization of youth. Do you think that's a fair statement?
I don't agree with that statement. That must be his personal opinion. But my only comment on that is one has to be very careful on every statement one makes when one holds very important positions.
Everybody makes statements now. You know, it is an irony that who is the Deputy Chief Minister, is being advised by the junior most minister in the cabinet. Number one, it happens to come from a person who happens to be the only Goan to have been cautioned by the ECI. The advice is completely unsolicited. I have spoken to Mr. Pramod Sawant and Mr. Satish Dhon yesterday. They had met me. I don't think that's the party's view on it. But my party has a very strong view when it comes to protecting the interests of the sons of the soil. And it is not something that we are apologetic about. I have very clearly said that DOMICILE and Konkani cannot be diluted in Goa under no cost. And this is our party's ideology. Just because we are in alliance with a national party, it doesn't mean we are going to dilute our ideology. Any other thing, see, normally national parties don't like this type of regionalistic sentiment. Which national party likes this? Before Mauvin, somebody else has given me an advice. You didn't hear that?
Does Mauvin's view indicate that all is not well?
Mauvin is not somebody who matters. As far as this government goes, he doesn't matter. He is just there, one among the many BJP MLAs.